Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is DIY green cleaning. There are so many great options for making DIY cleaning supplies for around the house. Now I do buy a lot of my cleaning supplies and I've been trying to switch to a lot more green options, but you can make a lot of different cleaning supplies for very affordable prices and really easy. So I'm going to share with you guys a few of my favorites and we're just going to jump right in. So I recently got a book that is a great resource for tons and tons of recipes for DIY green cleaning around the house, and I would highly recommend picking up this book. It has tons of different ideas. One thing it does suggest, which a lot of people know, is to take off your shoes before coming into the home. Now, believe it or not everybody grew up having to do this in their home, so I don't like to go around and enforce that for everybody, but we are trying to work on indoor shoes and outdoor shoes because on hardwood floors, a lot of times people prefer to wear shoes, so we have indoor shoes and outdoor shoes, and it does make for a much cleaner home. The next thing I'm making is a DIY furniture refresher. This is really nice to spray on bedding or your couch, and it's basically distilled water, vodka, and then some essential oils. So I'm adding vanilla and rose essential oil. Now you can add whatever essential oils you prefer, whichever ones you have, but vodka is actually used in several of the recipes in this book because it disinfects. So you could use rubbing alcohol if you want, but if you have vodka, you can use vodka. So I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of this on my couch just so it smells nice and refreshed. The next thing we are making is a carpet refresher, which is also very, very easy. It's basically just baking soda and essential oil. So I have a little bowl of baking soda. I'm going to add rose essential oil. This is a really pretty scent, but again, you could choose whichever one you want. And basically you want to sift it onto your carpet and then vacuum it up. And you can use this on any carpeted area. A lot of times carpet refreshers, things like this that are sold in the stores, have other chemicals inside of them that are just really strong and overly fragrant. So if you just use a little tiny bit of essential oil, you could use lemon or orange or whichever one you like. It's a lot better of an option than some of the things that you can buy in the store, and it really does work for refreshing your carpet. Next, I'm going to share a few natural laundry alternatives, starting with soap nuts in a muslin bag. Now, these can be thrown into the wash in place of regular laundry detergent, and they can be used up to 6 to 8 times before you discard them. It's recommended to use these with a laundry booster and also a fabric softener. So you can replace basically your laundry detergent with those and use it up to 6 to 8 times. The other thing is dryer balls. These are reusable and help reduce static and lint and also just decrease the drying time in general. It's a great non-toxic replacement to a lot of dryer sheets, which have scents. And so basically you're just going to put a few essential oil drops on top of them and it works great. Once a week or every few weeks, I do like to clean our toothbrushes, and I use hydrogen peroxide for that. So I just put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide into a container and put our toothbrushes inside of there and just let that soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I rinse it with water and they're good to go. Super easy and works great for cleaning toothbrushes. You only need a few ingredients to make a DIY all-purpose cleanser. I recommend getting a glass container because when you are using essential oils, you do not want to use plastic. You want to use glass. So you can find them on Amazon. I also order them I get them in my Grove Collaborative boxes. I do like the ones from the Grove Collaborative because they have silicone on the bottom, so it's a little bit of a better grip. But basically, I filled the container 3/4 of the way with distilled water, vodka the rest of the way, and then I'm adding my essential oils. As always, you can use essential oils that you prefer, and that makes for a really easy DIY all-purpose cleanser. Next, I'm making a DIY natural surface scrub. This is great for sinks, bathtubs. Basically, I'm using baking soda. I have a little bit of Castile Soap, hydrogen peroxide, and essential oils. And then I have my walnut scrubbers. I get those for free in my Grove box every month. I used tea tree oil and lavender for this. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good mix. And then you want to put that paste on anything that needs a good scrub in your bathroom: shower, bath, sink, pretty much anywhere that you could think would need a nice, good scrub-a-dub. So that's what I'm going to use this for. This is really great, and I'm going to use my walnut sponges, which have on the one side, it's really abrasive, so that works perfect with this. You can make a really easy DIY all-purpose disinfectant with distilled water and vodka. So again, vodka is in a lot of these recipes because alcohol disinfects. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and put distilled water and vodka, and you mix that together. You can spray it on your phone or anything that you really, want to disinfect. I also recommend using microfiber cloths. I have so many different microfiber cloths for cleaning all over my house, and I usually have different colors, so I know certain microfiber cloths I use in my bathroom, others I use in my kitchen. And so yeah, those are just a few DIY options that I found in this book and wanted to share. I love it. I highly recommend picking up that book. It gives so many more ideas. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys very soon with another one, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.